Hello, everyone. Let me start with my introduction. I'm Sanjay Agrawal. I'm head the IT for the retail branding division in Every Dennison. So today, with our agenda, we'll go through that who we are, our business, digital transformation, what we are doing right now, what some of the detailed discussions we will have, and I will try to share what we learned out of this. We are a U.S. headquarters, located at Glendale, California. 7.1 billion dollar company in 2019. 50 countries, located in 50 countries. We are more than 30,000 employees. We are Fortune 500 company, and our business mainly into three business units division. One is that label and graphics material business, where you think of that a label goes into the on the top of the wine bottle or the dishwashing liquid bottles, or like day to day you will see a lot of labels coming from us in your consumable, almost of your consumables. Or second division is retail branding business, where all the tickets, tags, labels, embellishment, which goes on the top of the garments from all the major brands. That's what we do. And third is the industrial and healthcare material business, which is our smallest one. Now, with that, our key focus is the supporting the industries, especially by providing the sustainable products. We do focus on sustainability very heavily, like all the labels, garments, whatever we manufacture need to be sustainable, and that's what our focus is moving towards basically. Even today, like other day, I was visiting to our factory, I saw the innovations that they manufacture the hangers made of the cardboards basically. Diversity and inclusion is the key. Our industry target to have the highly diverse employee and creating the all-inclusive culture. And that's the one of my core responsibility while as a leaders in the organization. And we play a lot of great role for our corporate social responsibility across the organization by supporting the multiple initiatives, empowering the women in the community, etc. Coming to our digital transformation journey perspective, earlier we used to call this the customer experience. Now we try to add on the top of the digital customer experience. So customer experience includes everything, but on the top of that, when we add the digital experience, that's experience through how you provide to your customer by introducing the laptop, tablets, a smartphone. So think of that. We are a manufacturer of the garment labels. You always day to day, sometime you also read that care label, which goes under the garment, the washing instructions basically. It's very difficult to go and read the small letter washing instruction. You think of that if we provide you the 2D barcode and you just scan that 2D barcode and you just immediately see that what is the instruction on mobile phone. And that's what the digital experience, that like even though those garments are manufactured by all the major brands like Nike, Adidas, Target, any one of them, but still we are in the backend, we are the data provider, we are the label provider, and we support. And if we partner with them and provide you that experience, that's what the digital consumer experience we are focusing towards. So today, we all have seen the world, like the way COVID has changed the entire world. Whatever it was not possible last so many years. The COVID made it very possible very quickly. I mean, we all are getting on the Zoom calls. We all are connecting with each other and that's what the digital experience we are moving forward. If you look at the mobile market, like now has increased in the last 1 year by more than 10%, basically, especially the people are using the mobile. Utilization of desktop has gone down by 10%, and is a it's a lot, 7 hour, like most of our consumers are looking for the most best experience via mobile experience. Now, if we go more in the details, like just think of our industry. So you take any major brand, and their factories may be subcontractor or they may be owning their factories. They manufacture the garment. On the parallelly, we receive the order to manufacture the labels and tags. And what we do that we provide, so we take the order from the headquarters in this diagram HQ, we provide the labels and tags, then it goes to that goes to the factories. The factories is nothing but that manufacturer of the garment, they manufacture, they attach the tag, then it goes to the distribution center, from distribution to sub-distribution, then it goes to the store, and finally it goes to the consumer. And for our response, and in this whole supply chain, a whole network, we own the data. We keep the data and is owned by the brands, but still we have the data for the almost of the things. And our vision is that to each and every physical item in the world should have the digital ID. And how that can transform the whole world, this entire ecosystem, if we know that how that physical item is moving around, how we can track those each and every physical item by a digital ID, and how that transform the entire ecosystem. By keeping that, very recently, we have launched our new connected platform where the billions of the products is already connected. And I will take you that this is the Athma.io is our connected platform, where you can go through that website called Athma.io, where we have 10 plus billions of the physical items are already connected. Where and I will request here to play the video, or you can go here to Athma.io and look at the video. But here, like as you scan the 2D barcode on the any garments, you can see the entire traceability of the product, whether it is the garments, whether it is a food item located at the store, whether you think of that, it also provides the, like you think of the vaccine today, how the vaccine is moving toward the ecosystem, and how at what environment, what was the temperature it was kept. So we all are providing that entire traceability of the lot of items. There's apparel in the food item, like it goes into Kroger or any retail chain, that entire traceability you can see here. So, and this is only possible via a couple of things. We are a manufacturer of the RFID labels, RFID tags. There's a multiple different advancement of the tags we manufacture. And you think of that a label, which, like you think of that this label. Within this label, if you see here, this is the RFID tag. This RFID tag is provide the traceability. A farmer sitting in their farms, and when they print the tag, and they know that, and then they put the tag that this I already packed a big bag of the spinach. Then immediately this RFID provides the data to our cloud system that with this serial number, with this tag, is linked with the one big bag of the spinach. And as it goes to the value chain and reaches to the world of the Subway or Chipotle or somewhere, basically, I'm just taking the name, that's not the right names. But once it reaches to their destination, it provides the complete traceability that, hey, this is what that material came from. It can do it. We can do the complete traceability, and that can save a lot of things in our ecosystems, basically. So coming back to our internal customer experience perspective, our key focus into how to change the experience of our customer. So there are the 4 key elements are there. One is that how you engage with your customer, how you manage your customer, how you create the product for your customer, and then how you provide the customer experience to your customer. So let me go into more detail around this. When you engage any new customer you get or existing customer, when you are engaging this, you are in the cycle of the selling your product, basically. That how you sell your new products, new services, new offering to your existing and new customer. And that's where that marketing tools we are utilizing now. Then after that, and once the customer shows the interest that this is how I'm interested, immediately that converts into the pipeline or subsequently to the opportunity and link with our CRM system. And within a CRM, that is linked with our forecasting system, which it is linked with it links back to our next step, that is the CPQ system, that is a configure, price, and quote. And that's what that product development comes, where we can provide the real-time quotation to our customers. And as we get the orders, quotation, and go through the process, then how you provide the experience to our customer. I mean, providing a customer 360, what is the status of your product, what is the how the product will be delivered, when it will be delivered, and how we can provide all this experience digitally to our customer, and as well as our customer service agent and customer, and as well as our sales team. And that's what our customer 360 enablement is there. Then on the top of this, we are also looking forward that how we can go beyond the Atma.io or this four components which generate the customer experience, that providing the more mobile or digital experience by providing the unique digital experience, where we are utilizing our multi-cloud strategy. And when we look multi-cloud strategy, in that way, we have developed, or we have already launched our platform called iCore. In that platform, that entire big data platform, it consists of big data platform, it consists of the IoT platform, it consists of the multiple microservices that basically enables that entire customer experience. You think of that, our customers, they do the in-plant printing. So the customer can come into our platforms and they can request the tag printout, and the tags getting printed on the printers located on in their factories, basically. So like that, we have a lot of use cases which we have enabled via using these technologies of the multi-cloud strategy. You think of the certain products are there, like beverages, which we go into. It's in some stores lying in the cooler, which has the RFID tag, which has the RFID reader, real time, that provides the inventory of those products onto the Google. In the Google, you can see that specific product lying in what is stored at the point of time, and you can get the real time inventory and visibility. These are big transformations which we are trying to do at the moment. We are trying to create a big impact in the industry, and our journey is very important, and it's moving very high pace. So with that, from our lesson learned, basically. So in the lesson learned, I would like to share one important thing is the change management. All this technology as a IT leaders, we all can bring. We can sign up the cloud, we can sign up all this CRM system, forecasting system, multiple system. The key thing is the change management at all the levels and the stakeholders. And that's so what we did, that we started with the design thinking sessions, trying to understand what's our current pain points, then created the strategy along with all the stakeholders in the business at all the levels. And then we ensure that this is strategy, their strategy, not the IT strategy. And after that, the same team is a part of the execution team. So they are a part, and they are running multiple sprints, multiple projects, and trying to make all this project initiatives successful. As soon as this becomes the IT project, it is going to fail. So all these technologies are very simple, but adoption is very, very difficult. So that's a key challenge, and that's the way we are addressing that key challenge. So I would like to thank you to every one of you to listening me, and appreciate any feedback, and feel free to reach out to me or Malvika or anyone in the organizing team in case if you have any questions. Thank you.